This is the Tepui Kukenam Ruggedized rooftop tent. We fitted it to a Ford F250 truck on top of the Thule Xsporter truck rack, giving it the most versatility and height adjustability and positioning. This tent weighs in at approximately 150 pounds. The truck rack can support 450 pounds dynamic weight load. Static weight load is multiplied by typically a factor of 2 or 3, making this an excellent foundation to support this rooftop tent and its occupants. Telescopic ladder is included, which supports the cantilevered base. The Ruggedized includes diamond plate underside, as well as a higher density material, polycotton ripstop nylon. No-seam mesh keeps out the smallest flying insects. Awnings are supported with the flexible struts that are inserted into pre-drilled factory angled holes. This product and the full line of Tepui products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Click the information icon at the top of the screen for complete details, pricing, and promotions.